vlog. Stop beeping. Hey vlog. Back at it again with another vlog. Okay. So I think I was vlogging earlier. I just left the nail salon getting my nails done, getting them filled in. That's literally the only nail salon I go to. So yeah, it's Saturday. I'm officially done. I am now on my break. Y'all, I'm so excited. I want some Chipotle so bad. That would be so good. I'm so excited for this. I am about to go to Chicago in literally like one day, basically, because this night is pretty much coming to an end here. I'm on my way to the hair store so I can pick up some stuff to do this week. That is what y'all are gonna see. My best friend is coming over to help me, assist me in doing this lace front. I've never had a lace front, never wanted a lace front. I actually ordered it thinking it was a closure until I double checked, because I was doing it kind of like in a rush, because I was gonna braid my hair originally, and then I was like, I don't feel like it, so why am I about to do something and tire myself out and just like really be running last minute trying to braid my hair, and I don't even feel like doing it. So I was like, let me get a wig, short, curly, cute. That's my go-to. And y'all, I done ordered a damn lace front. I'm so scared, but I'm not scared, but I'm so scared because I've never done this before. So I don't know how this is about to go. I go tomorrow to get my wash and braid down for it. So if anything is gonna be good, I know my braid down will be. But tonight I'm gonna just like prep it, basically bleach it, thin it out with the tweezers, wash it, put some product in it, and basically I guess get myself a head, you know, prep the wig so I can just put the wig on after I get my braids tomorrow. So I'm about to go to the wig store and pick up the few items that I need for the wig. Okay, y'all, so okay, I made it home. Here with the best. I don't know why I want to cry. You said, are you happy with yourself and started crying? That's not funny. That's not funny. I'm trying to tell myself. Oh my God. I'm glad you made it over. We can hang out and laugh.
I really don't know what happened.
Oh gosh. I am sorry.
What did I do today? I didn't even talk to nobody today. I've been at work all day.
Oh.
$97 later.
$97 fucking later. And this stuff I bought from my salon. So it's really this. So we got that. That was $111, y'all. This hair.
Ooh.
So
Frisky.
you can't even see. But this hair is so soft. It's not really doing it justice because I combed it out with my fingers and stuff. But, okay, this is what, I don't know why I bought this. I just bought it because it was curly stuff. $97 later, I got, oh, this is so stupid of me. So I got my wig cap. Y'all, this is my first lace front ever. And Xavier's over here to help me. I got these edge scarves. Oh, I got these, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to dye my brows, arch them, and do my lashes. But I don't know. Should I stack these? That, I got some got to be. Oh, got this. Don't even know why I got the got to be if I got this. Take it to my suite, I guess. A lot of body. A do-rag. Again, don't know. Mixing bowl, my bleach. Some oil sheen. So, combs, clips, water. So, we about to start doing this wig. And I'll keep you updated. So it is Sunday, 24th. I think it is 24th. Camera, come on now, come on. Don't mind the way I'm looking. Y'all seen last night? Yes, I still got my head tattoo on. Right now I'm on my way to pick up Spook from the groomers. He had to get his hair cut. I just needed him to go get a bath, his trim, and his nails trimmed, and his hair cut before I left because it would make me feel better. Carter and RJ went yesterday. Those are my dogs, if y'all don't know. I don't think I properly introduced my dogs on my YouTube channel, but I'm a dog mama of three boys. Yes, those are my light and joy. But I gotta go pick up Spook from the groomers, and then I have to go get my best friend Sadie. Y'all see her yesterday. So yesterday, we couldn't really do much of nothing with the wig. I thought we were supposed to pluck it and customize it and part it and style it prior to putting it on, but the way she said she does it is when it's actually on her head, because gotta glue down the cap, put the makeup on, blend it, whatever. So we didn't do much but just bleach the lace. Yes, last night to film. The next video after this vlog will be me actually doing the lace front. We'll see how it goes. And I decided on a YouTube schedule, so I'm going to upload Mondays, Thursdays, and Sundays. If you do not see me uploading on Sundays, Mondays, and Thursdays, please tell me about myself and be like, oh, you're a liar. Oh, you were telling us a story. Oh, you weren't serious. You don't want 10K subscribers. How do you want 10K subscribers if you're not consistent, if you're not actually uploading content that's watch worthy? I hope this is watch worthy. But yeah, so I'll see y'all once I get Xavier and we go to the Am I coming back? What is this? And then, this is that,
The eyeliner?
yes. I need both of these.
Okay. Let me shampoo her first and then I'm gonna come back up. Oh,
You wanna be on here?
Doing? Welcome to Signature 12 Salon. It's snowing outside.
I really like this one. Oh, that was good, y'all. Okay, y'all, we are officially done. This is nothing but scalp. Absolutely in love. This was her first closure. Don't mind my edges. I kind of got to play around with them. I ain't never had this many edges to work with before. As you can see, it's kind of bare versus this side.